Welcome to our guide on updating your SimpliSafe base station firmware. Let's explore why it's crucial to keep your security system updated. Firmware serves as the software backbone of your device, ensuring optimal functionality and security. Keeping it updated protects you from vulnerabilities. To start, check your current firmware version through the SimpliSafe app. Navigate to the settings and select your base station. Ensure your base station is connected to the internet. This will allow it to download the latest firmware updates seamlessly. To manually initiate an update, simply go to the firmware section in the app and tap Update. It's that easy. Your base station can automatically update when connected to Wi-Fi. This ensures you receive the latest security features without manual intervention. Encountering issues? Common problems include connectivity errors and a lack of space on the device. Address these before attempting another update. Once the update is complete, verify it by checking the version in the app. Enjoy the improved features and enhanced security. Maintain a routine check for updates every few months. Staying proactive ensures your security system is always at its best. Thank you for watching. Remember, keeping your firmware updated is key to a secure home.